Good morning. Check it out. Just got my hands on a 2002 Trailblazer. It's been sitting under a shed for 3 years, if I'm not mistaken. 3 to 4 years. It's pretty nasty. Yeah. My bad, I didn't film the tow, but it was exciting. It is very nasty. Very, very nasty. Oh, it smells like mildew over here. Ugh. Got a wasp nest, you know. Disgusting. I can't even close the damn door. Oof. Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you want to see this and all the other projects I got going on. For sure.